Hi everyone, today we are going to learn how to use Kodin. I'll try to cover the most of the basics that you're going to be using in your day-to-day practicals and stuff. So let's begin. First, to access the editor, we'll click on this button. Now, I know you see a lot of options over here. Browser, we've got visualize, and we've got the Kodin agent, which is one of my personal favorites, but more on that later. Let's see how to fetch a question. We'll click on get questions. We'll fill out our faculty details. Then we're going to fill out the subject. Now the class ID. Click on fetch. There we go. The question folder is created. Alright, now we see a lot of files over here. So let's quickly open them. We've got the aim, the algorithm, the conclusion, and the actual question. So now let's make the best out of our resources in Kodin. Let's first get over to the Kodin agent. Now the question tells us to implement an algorithm which is binary search, which is a relatively very easy algorithm. Since I already know this algorithm, this kind of gives me the edge to test out the Kodin agent. A mode over here. So let's click on explain concept and click. There we go. As you can see, it gives me a comprehensive explanation over the topic. Doing this in Python helped me out. As you can see, the agent never gives me a direct answer to a question, but rather guides me towards it, which is the best part of this agent. As you can see, we also have a bar over here, so you get limited usage to this agent. Only call it 45 times, which sort of helps you to not rely on AI a lot as well. Now, the agent also has a lot more options that we will get into. So let's start solving this question real quick. So I'm going to define a function here, which we'll call binary search. We'll take an array and a target element as our parameters. Now, while solving this question, I realize I have declared my mid variable as mid over here. Meanwhile, I have written m over here. So let's quickly just do this and we'll keep this one as it is. I want the agent to capture if something is wrong in my code. So I'm going to run my code and we'll see an error, as you can see. Now let's ask the agent what's wrong with my code. As you can see, it instantly captures what's wrong with my code based on my terminal's output as well as my code. Okay, so I forgot to print the result, but as you can see, we've got the index of the target and I've also pressed Ctrl plus Enter to capture my output. Now we have another mode over here. After all your practicals, you can press the Assess Me button and click on Go, which will generate a personalized quiz according to your code. So as you can see, we have a quiz over here. I'm just going to quickly just click some random options as of now and click on Submit Answers. As you can see, I got 1 right out of 5. You can also use the visualizer over here to visualize the whole algorithm. How cool is that? Well, after you're done with each practical, we're going to go and click on Session. Click on Session Report. This is going to generate a whole new session report. If you scroll down, we see all my interactions with the AI tutor. So let's scroll ahead. And as you can see, here's the assessment score. As you might notice, it also records your external activity. So before I started recording, I had Chrome open and also a virtual desktop. So as you can see, it clearly captured everything. After you're done generating a session, click on Session, go on Upload Session, and just click on Upload. And that's how you use Kodin. Thank you.